Sa ambush interview po kagabi ni VP Sara, binanggit niya na yung pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte is parang state kidnapping daw po. Any reaction from the palace?
State kidnapping. What does he mean by that? Now, what does she mean by that? State kidnapping. Well, I guess I have to stick with the word kidnapping. Ano-ano po ba yung elements ng kidnapping? Ba? Pagkuha ng sapilitan ng walang otoridad. Yan yung pinakasimple. Yan ang pinakasimple para sa taong bayan. Unang-una po, paano po magiging kidnapping? Kung may warrant of arrest. It was issued by an authority, by the court. Kapag ka po mayroon ng issuance ng anumang order from the court, we have to comply. Especially sa ating po nangyari ay through Interpol. Hindi po pwedeng kapag ka po nagsuserve ang sino mang otoridad, let's say sheriff, atin na lang po itong tatalikuran, or ating sasaktan, o ating susuntukin. Hindi po pwedeng ganun. Kung ano po ang nandiyan at legal po na masasabi nating order from the court, we should abide. No? We should abide by that. So, wala po ako nakikitang kidnapping dahil hindi nga po ito sa pwersahan at lahat po ng elemento na dapat pong gamitin para maging masabing valid yung warrant of arrest at yung paghingi ng assistance ng Interpol ay nandiyan naman po. Kompleto po tayo ng papel.